So let us look at part 178 now. If you have not yet subscribed, do so. So let us look at this question. You want to continuously monitor uh, your environment to analyze network and account activity and potential security threats. So basically you want someone like your security guard. See, what do security guards do is they will perform intelligent threat detection. They look at the people and they understand, okay, this guy is suspicious, and they ask questions where you want to go, why, and etc. Similarly, your guard duty does the same thing. It will avoid threats from getting in into your infrastructure. See, beauty is it is ML powered. Okay, this, if you see this, it is ML powered threat detection. That means there is automation. It will automatically detect. It will respond faster. It will continuously monitor, and it is scalable. You want to monitor infrastructure with 10 EC2 instance, it will do 100, it will do 1000 or 10,000 also, it will work scalable. So that is our answer, guard duty. But what about something like a Macy? So what does Macy do? So suppose you have one PDF document, it's your contract, and there are details, PII details, like social security numbers, SSN numbers. In US this is very important. So credit card number, CC, that is credit card numbers, it is mentioned. Now you want to understand which documents have these all mentioned. You have stored all your documents in S3, then you use Messi will scan all documents and tell, hey buddy, I found one document with sensitive information, and it will mask you. This question is not asking about PII masking. Artifact is about compliance. See, I was working for one bank, US bank, and then they told that, okay, guys, I want you to produce compliance reports. So we were on AWS, we told, okay, fine, fantastic. I have AWS Artifact. I can pull the compliance reports, and we were asked to provide different types of compliance. It also included GDPR compliance also. Okay. So this service helps you with that. It helps you with security and compliance posture. That is the key here. But we are not talking about compliance here. We are talking about, we want a security solution. Understand the context first. In Gen AI, if you give wrong context, you will get wrong answers. Okay. Let us not give silly context. So what about IAM? IAM is like, I want to provide somebody access, then I use IAM. It does not have intelligent threat detection. It does not identify security threats. You you can manage, you can securely manage identities and access to AWS stuff. Okay. So our final answer is option D, Amazon duty. This is our next question. Yeah, we are saying that we need to connect to multiple VPCs and on premises. So on AWS we have these VPCs. Okay, I want to connect these, and this green box is on premises. This green box is on premises. I want to connect this also through single network. Okay, what solution should I use? See, VPC pairing will not work with on premises. Simple. It is working for all red boxes here. It will not work for the green box here. So this VPC pairing, uh, it's a virtual network dedicated to AWS account, VPC. Okay, and you see this diagram, it talks about how the pairing works. But there are two VPCs, VPC A and VPC B, but this is inside cloud. It does not involve on premises. That's why VPC pairing is wrong. Now direct connect. See, you have a office. Suppose you are working for TCS and you want to connect to AWS data centers and you don't want to go through internet, then you use direct connect service. Okay, so you can create dedicated network connection to AWS through direct connect, and this is how it works. You have your own office, and you want to connect to various AWS region you use direct connect. It will be a dedicated cable they will connect from your office to the data center, and it will be very secured, and as it is not using internet. Okay, it is making a physical connection to AWS network is made. A client VPN, it is a managed client-based VPN service, and it will give you access to your AWS resources and resources on premises. It will give you access to both. And then we have transit gateway. You can connect VPCs, accounts, and on-premises networks in a single gateway. That is what we want, in a single gateway. Client VPN is not doing it in a single gateway. So this single network connection. That is the question. That is why option A, AWS Transit Gateway, is our answer. Now we have this next question. You want to troubleshoot and debug a serverless application that you have put on AWS Cloud. On AWS Cloud, how you can build serverless application? You can use a service like Lambda. You can use such service. So Lambda is, you can run your code without thinking about servers. Where are the servers? Where are the clusters? No problem, buddy. You don't think about it. You just spend the money. Don't think about from where your father is bringing the money. Simple. Now you want to debug. The question is not about Lambda. They are saying, I want to debug this application. To debug this application, what should I use? So should I use config? See, config I use in my project. Why I used to provide auditability. I had various EC2 instances, around 50 or 60 of them. I want to provide auditability to some configurations of EC2 instance we changed, why we changed that configuration auditability. Like somebody can come and understand 6 months down the line, okay, these 5 EC2 instances, since it is used by HR teams, that's why the configurations and this parameter were changed. That config will maintain it. Config will not help you with debugging. Config is about just telling you, boss, this was changed at this time, this date. That's all. Now, cloud formation is what? Cloud formation is, I want to create infrastructure like this. This is one EC2 instance, two EC2 instance, three EC2 instance, one RDS database, one Redshift cluster. I want to create, not with my hand, not using UI. Okay, I don't want to do that. I want to automate the creation. I want to write a code. If I run the code, this should get created automatically. Is it possible, boss? Is it possible? Yes, I can write a YAML code and do it. How? Using cloud formation. Cloud formation gives me opportunity to write a code to create infrastructure. It is similar to services like Terraform. If you are an architect in a company working for a client, if you are not using this to tear apart your infrastructure and recreate from scratch, or create a production infrastructure or create a test infrastructure using this, then you are not using automation to a great extent. Think about, why did you go to cloud? If you are going to work the same way like on premises, why did you go to cloud platforms? If that is the case, think about, why are you wasting your life this way? Is there any better way to waste your life, like watching Netflix whole day, or talking about how you can uplift your religion whole day? There are better ways to kill time. Okay, so cloud formation you should use so that you don't kill time. Now cloud trail, see, each and every activity God is tracking. Okay, each and every activity. See, like now I'm recording this idiot is telling me within 3 minutes this guy will restart. Ridiculous. So just like God, this guy is tracking me. So not only the activity log, but also the API usage. This is getting tracked by Cloud Trail. So that is why Cloud Trail is also incorrect in this case, and we are left with X-ray. So what you do with X-ray is you have to analyze and debug production and distributed application. That is what you do with X-ray. So basically, it will help you troubleshoot. This is exactly what our question wants. They want to troubleshoot certain things. So the benefits of X-ray is like, see, X-ray service is just like your X-ray. You have a minor hairline bone fracture. You go to the doctor, they take X-rays. So what are they doing? They're trying to troubleshoot where is the problem. Those things. So here also you can do easy tracking. You can improve performance. You can remove obstacles, and you can save time and money. So AWS X-ray is our final answer. Option C. So if you have not yet subscribed, do so. It will help you with your cloud journey. And it is like the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. So please work on it. And the other thing is focus on the concepts. Okay, without concepts, flying through is difficult. Even yesterday and day before yesterday, I got uh, comments on some parts of this playlist that they have cleared the certification, they have scored excellent marks, and the playlist was very helpful. So please make all use of it to help yourselves clear the certification. Not only this playlist, there are so many other playlists on other certifications, intermediate as well as advanced. Do not forget to take the membership for Cloud Kernel and Cloud Data members. You can gain access to paid content. See you in the next part.